I figured I'd take a little video. This is our woods. This is my husband. We're out here looking for Giovanni. Cooper's out here too. As you can see, it's dense. Sun's so pretty. You coming in? Giovanni! This is where I think the dog and the cat got lost at, is back here. Wow. It's all downhill. That dog really does know where he's at. All the leaves are turning. And down this long embankment, or embankment, whatever you want to call it. Where's he at, in the water? I'll leave him alone, he's hot. And there is Cooper all the way. Let me see if I can zoom in. Where's he at? Can't see him. It's in the water. Oh my God. He's laying down in the water. I will when I get down here to him. And there is our dirty dog in the water. Where kitty kitty at, Cooper? Where kitty kitty?
Go find Giovanni. Go get him. Go get kitty.
We're gonna cross right here?
Yeah. I have no idea where this way is. Come on, turn it off. Stop with an eye.